like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications. I'll post daily videos of new incoming inventory, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. We have 50 to 70 vehicles arriving every week. We are the premier salvage and repairable vehicle dealership of the Northeast. We provide these videos for transparency and to show our clients and our social media followers the conditions of the vehicles and to educate you about salvage cars and repairable cars, so you know exactly what you're getting into. Right now you're looking at a 2018 Lincoln MKZ with collision damage to the right front. Right now looks like you need a right 3/4 sheet metal nose. Actually, full sheet metal nose. You'd have to replace this fender also because somebody opened the door and damaged it after the accident. Let's take a look at the structure underneath. So the motor looks like it's sitting in place. The cooling looks good. All the radiators and condensers, fans looks good. You need an upper radiator support. That piece bolts on and off. It's not a welded piece. You need a bumper support. That bolts on and off. Frame rail looks good here. That's the chassis rail, frame rail. No breakage on the motor mount, no movement there. Strut tower looks good. Actually, looking at this frame rail from the top, it looks like it may have swayed over this way. May have shifted over the nose. I don't think you have to replace it. Yep, shifted both sides. This one's like this. So it's got to be pulled over that way, about 2 inches, both rails. It's not too bad. We've pulled worse and they came out perfect. You can repair this apron here. I wouldn't replace it for that little damage there. Nobody's going to see it. Fender's going to cover it. All this can be squared away and fixed. Quick walk around. Cradle looks good. Front door is clean. Right rear door is clean. Rear panel looks good. This is an all-wheel drive. Take a look inside. Nice two-tone interior. Really sharp. No airbag is deployed at all. Really nice builder for somebody. Post it on the website soon. Thanks for watching.